Hi and welcome to this week's online assembly.
We acknowledge the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation as the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we gather, learn and grow, and we recognize their continuing connection to land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to the elders and young people of the past, present and future generations, and to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Hi everyone, I hope you have had a really fantastic week. Today we are celebrating our Mother's Day. All of our students have had the opportunity to go to the Mother's Day stall and purchase a little gift for their special loved one, their mum or their nan or their auntie. I would really like to thank all of our helpers who helped out at the stall today. Don't forget, this afternoon we do have our Mother's Day afternoon. All mothers, nans, aunties are welcome to attend, a special person. We've got some fantastic activities for you to do with your children. I have here with me today Rahan and Mo. They participated in the cross country yesterday and did amazing. Rahan became first and he received a medal for that and he's off to the divisions. Mo did a great job with participating and did his best in the race. So Rahan and Mo, what were you most proud of from yesterday's performance?
The most proudest thing was me actually going because before the race actually happened, I was actually nervous and I actually didn't want to go because I was too scared that I might come last and yeah.
Oh, that's great that you pushed through that, Mo. Well done, and that you would still got to go.
My proudest moment was probably winning the race because it was a great feeling. Whenever I passed the people cheering me on, it was a great feeling.
Yeah. So that means that you weren't in front of the race. You had to pass people to get there. That was a great job. Well done. And what was the toughest part of that race?
Probably the end because we were me in second place. We were right next to each other, so I had to push through.
So it was a very close finish towards the end. Yeah.
For me, it was probably at the end as well because trying to get actually a good spot and also because at the last race probably the most important because you really want a good spot in the final bit.
Yeah. So just being a good sport and pushing yourself to get to the end. Yeah. Great job, boys. Well done. The next thing I would like to remind everyone is our colour run that is next Friday. If you want to participate, and we'd love everyone participating, please make sure that you have accepted the permission on Compass. We want to see as many people participating in the event. Currently we have 111 students who have created their online profile. To be able to fundraise for this, you need to have that online profile. Currently we have around $4,000 raised. We would like to see more than that. We are trying to raise money for our decodable readers across the school. If every student raised $20, that would give us just under $20,000. And raising that $20, that means you get to receive an individual prize from the prize booklet that you can see in the online portal. Also, the school has incentives as well, such as the student who raises the most money will be able to be boss for the day. And that includes things like having an extra specialist class, sitting next to a friend, having extra device time, maybe choosing to eat with friends outside of the picnic table. So you get to choose what you want to do throughout that day. Next is we have a class reward. So the class that raises the most money, they can have a pizza party for the class. So we will order pizzas for everyone. And the year level that raises the most money will have an extra playtime for everyone. So we'd like to see lots more money raised. Have happy fundraising, make sure you're doing it safely, and it's going to be so much fun at the Colour Run next week.
In breaking news, reporting live from Casey Field, this is Mrs. Perkins. And here I am with Hasiba and Tessa. Girls, what do you think so far of cross country today?
I don't know, chat, but hopefully we win the cup. Yeah.
Thank you, Tessa. And Hasiba.
CEPS gonna win.
Who's coming first right now, Hasiba?
CEPS.
Yes, we have Rohan. He's coming first right now.
Yes.
Good afternoon, school superstars. We are absolutely crushing it with the Colour Fun Run fundraising. Give yourself a big, loud superhero round of applause.
Yay! But guess what? We're not done yet. Have you, I'm talking about you, made your profile page? If not, today's the day to do so. Jump online and join the fun. And don't forget, check out the fantastic prizes on offer.
Now, drum roll please. Our hero fundraising of the week is Javon Gill in 1D. Big congratulations to Javon, and the top of that, the class of the week is 1D. Amazing job. Keep up the great work.
Keep the energy up. Keep encouraging each other. Let's make the Colour Fun Run the most legendary one ever.
It's going to be fun.
You need to get ready to run.
Bye.
Hi, welcome to this week's Student Talk. I'm Wajiha and this is Cadence. And today we'll be interviewing Ali from 5N. Now let's move on to the questions. If you could travel to any country, where would you go?
I would probably stay here. No.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
Noodles.
Who is one person you look up to?
My friends.
If you were stranded on an island, what would you take with you?
Actually, I would take. Water. I think I'll just take water.
What is your favorite sport?
Table tennis.
If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
Teleportation.
What is your favorite pizza topping?
All of them are favorite.
What is your favorite thing to do on the weekend?
Just play games and yeah.
What kind of games?
Roblox.
What is your favorite TV show or movie?
I have no favorite show or movie.
Thank you for your time, Ali, and stay tuned for next week's Student Talk.
Bye.
Hi everyone, get ready to warm up those laughter muscles because it's time to get giggly, Mother's Day style. Are you ready? Why are mums like Wi-Fi? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, why are mums like Wi-Fi? Because without them, nothing works. Thanks for laughing or groaning along. And don't forget to make your mum smile this Mother's Day. Have a great week, everyone.
Hello, this is Mrs. Perkins, and we have some breaking news. There have been many students who've not been playing ball games in the correct locations in the yard. So my assistant reporters here are going to show you around the school and where you can and cannot play certain ball games. Let's go.
We follow the playground rules. CEPS News. See you soon. That brings us to the end of this week's online assembly. Remember to keep showing respect to our teachers, our classmates, and ourselves.
We hope you have an amazing week full of learning, laughter, and respectful choices. Stay safe and be proud, and we'll see you next week. Bye.